Meaning of disarm.
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 Disarm. The term disarm typically means to remove or reduce the weaponry of a person, group, or nation. Disarmament can occur either through peaceful negotiation or through the use of force. The result of disarming someone or something is that they become less threatening and are perceived as less of a danger. It can help to prevent or reduce conflicts, promote trust between parties, and create a safer environment. On the other hand, failure to disarm can lead to continued violence, instability, and potential harm to individuals or communities.